Ritik is like this perfectionist and hot as hell, obviously. I hope that you're doing well and have matured up as a human being, become better than where I left you at. Oh my god, you're killing me.
Hi Anupriya,
Hi, Alina.
welcome to Girls Gotta Talk.
Thank you for having me here. Quite excited for this conversation.
Same here, same here. I'm more excited than you, trust me. All of us are also dealing with a lot of pressure with regard to work, family. What kept you happy and positive?
The fact that I was able to disconnect for the first 2, 3 months from everything and everyone and just spend some me time, like quality me time. There was no noise around. That was really bringing in a lot of solace and comfort. And also, I started doing things like writing, reading, and obviously watching a lot of stuff on the OTT.
We are going to dive back into our school days where we used to play this fun game, name, place, animal, thing. But we have tweaked the options a little bit our own way and we've made it name, place, Bollywood thing. So, Anupriya, start and stop.
H.
A name that quickly pops up in your head when I say the letter A.
Russian.
If you are given a choice to escape all of this right now, where would you go with the letter H?
Helsinki to see the Northern Lights.
Oh my god, yeah, that's a dream.
I hope I'll do that. Yeah, I really hope I'll get to do that sometime.
Movie starting with the letter H.
हम आपके हैं कौन? हम दिल दे चुके सनम.
Three things that we will find in your makeup kit.
Okay, so highlighters, a hand cream, and hairbrush.
Okay, you mentioned Hrithik Roshan. Can you please tell us your experience of working with him in the movie War?
Ritik is like this perfectionist and hot as hell, obviously. He really is hot. And more than that, I think what I loved about him was his way of including everybody. He never really thought of himself alone when it came to performance. He was always thinking about the whole film, the whole storyline, and how the characters can play off each other and very dedicated, extremely dedicated. He was quite an inspiration.
Awesome. Anupriya, start and stop.
F.
Name your favorite fashion designer.
Manish Malhotra.
What is fashion to you?
I think fashion to me is a way of discovering oneself. It can be an extension of yourself also. I think all of us have various personalities in us, and we are different people at different times in our life. And fashion is one way of exploring that.
If you had to choose from one of the fashion capitals of the world, which place would be your favorite?
Paris.
What can we find Anupriya shopping from Paris?
Generally, I'm somebody who, when I go to places, I always like to buy things which are more integral and specific to that place. Many a times, they're handicrafts or a lot of things which might be a little bit of a heritage from that place, rather. And of course, various fashionable items like clothing and stuff like that. So, Paris, I believe, a high couture dress.
Who do you think is the fittest actor and the fittest actress?
I think Akshay Kumar, I really like his kind of fitness, He's very agile, extremely disciplined, very regimented. When someone's really fit in terms of biceps and the body and all of that, they also kind of become stiff as human beings or as actors, as performers. I think Akshay is extremely malleable. Apart from that, Tiger and Ritik are also extremely fit human beings. I've seen that with my own eyes. In actresses, I think I find Deepika really fit. Even Shilpa Shetty.
So with F also comes food. So what can we find in Anupriya's cheat meal?
These days, I've been having a lot of sugar craving and especially chocolate craving. So yeah, if I'm cheating, then I would overdose on my desserts for sure.
Anupriya, start and stop.
P.
Name someone whom you really look up to.
While we are saying P, Prakash Jha.
You have also worked with him in ashram. Can you please tell us how has your experience been?
Oh, lovely! It's been absolutely beautiful. I'll cherish it for all my life, and I hope I get to repeat those experiences with him. He is someone who just makes me happy. Like the moment I see Prakash sir, I'll be smiling from ear to ear.
You have to name 5 cities starting with the letter P.
Pune, Patna, Perth, Prague, Pondicherry. Shelly.
Name 3 movies with the letter P.
Piku, Pan Singh Tomar, and Padmavat.
In a way, your big break in the film industry has been through Padmavat. Has it really opened bigger doors for you moving forward?
I love period dramas, and I think I'm an old soul. I love to be a part of that atmosphere. As I said, Sanjay sir sets are so real. Like we felt that I was in a fort. Even if you look at the walls and everything from just your naked eye, in 1 centimeter away from it, you would still feel that it's real and it's not like an artificial setup at all. It was that fantabulous. And yeah, I mean the whole royalty and the regalness that comes with it, and plus you kind of go back in time. The mannerisms are different, they're much more elitist. Yeah, it's a great feeling, definitely.
P is also for perfume, and we have to get into your drawer and know 3 of your best perfume brands.
My all-time favorite is Beautiful by Estee Lauder. There is, I think, Vintas by Chanel. Then there is Gucci's perfume. Absolutely false. So because I think as actors you have to be ultra intelligent and empathetic, because you need to know about your society, about various ongoings in the world. I was shooting in Kutch once on the white sand. I think that was very thrilling and it was quite exotic. Though I've shot at other places as well, but yeah, for me that I was very proud that this kind of a place exists in India. Sensitive, empathetic, temperamental, slightly impulsive, and I'm a work in progress. Acting for me is therapeutic. So acting kind of gives you a taste of being different people while you're being yourself, and find a certain sense of commonality and explore different facets about yourself. Too much noise. I hope that you're doing well and have matured up as a human being, become better than where I left you at. And yeah, I hope you remember us. I do think it's changing because, see, as the content matures up, as you start showcasing your actresses in a bigger way, in a more larger perspective, rather than just treating them as sex symbols, audiences will also start looking at them the same way. I can say this about myself and maybe others too, that I'm not really fond of getting ready or doing hair and makeup, especially not every day. So when the lockdown also happened, I was really glad that, oh my God, there's a break from makeup and getting ready. Please like, share and subscribe to Hotelfly.